one of the sikat na influencers di sa Dakbayan sa Iligan. Maayong hapon sa tanan, Iliganons! Excited ang tanan sa opening. I believe all are excited. In behalf of our beloved City Mayor, Mayor Franisiao, as much as Mayor Franisiao would love to be here so timely, kapaluman yun mo ang Kapos Mayor, no? Until walang oras, karon dagan pa kay naglinya ng mga katauhan nato dito para need of tabang assistance o uban pa na para sa katauhan sa Iligan. Muna ingon ni Mayor Siao, una-una lang sa dito because I'll be joining them later. Sa unya na, sa ato ang panagtigog karong gabi una. Ako lang ihatag gamay ang mensahe sa atong mayor na iyang dakong pagpasalamat labi na sa tanang katauhan sa Dakbayan sa Iligan. It's a beautiful afternoon to be here. Kita ninyo karon nindot kayo atong weather, no? Pasalamat ha. Wala gyud ulan. Muna'y blessing sa Ginoo katong opening nato gihatag nga tagdagkong grasya. Samot na karon sa ato ang grand opening sa Mugna. And I'm thrilled to welcome each and every one of you to the grand opening of the Mugna this afternoon. We gather not just as community, but as family, and ready to celebrate our rich culture, vibrant traditions, and spirit of Iligan City. Pwede ba nato palakpakan ang mga katauhan, ang tanang mga nitawang sa Mugna, palakpakan na ito paglayon. Kay successful kayo ang pagselebrar nato karong hapon. But let's not forget our esteemed guests and delegates that are with us today. Our Diandi Festival Chairman, 2024, and other than the Executive Management Chairman, Dr. Darwin Manubag, at ang palakpakan. Nasabot kay Sata sa gibati ni Darwin, nating question, pero happy kayo si Sir Darwin. Kapala mo, basta Darwin Manubag, nagay first, no? First na naay NIPA, first na naatay agricultural booth, naglatag first sa atong mga sports activities and other cultural activities. Even si Darwin, ipaani pa niya taga-Korea, no? He'll be joining us this coming September 27, I think. K-pop, katong hiligog K-pop na ay international artist na gidala ni Darwin Manubag. As well as our Mugna Chairman, Sir Richie Rubio, at ang palakpakan. Grabe ang challenges, but then again, everything is so successful. To our beloved Vice Mayor, Noong Alemanya, muna ay giingon, basta na ay siya na adyo'y Alemanya. Kaya magkuyog magyunang duha. To our councilors, Attorney CPA, Betsy Sansos, our honorable councilors, Councilor Nicole Kapampangan, Councilor Trix Micaela Caballero, we really appreciate niniani mo karong Aprila alongside with our very active Councilor Ryan Ong, atong palakpakan. To our Councilor Abili Morong, to our ever dynamic department heads, in attendance, palakpakan na itong mga department heads. To our very supportive executive assistant of the Mayor and Adang Lestan, Mr. Bong Kapitan. Yan si Kuya Bong, basta na yung problema, siya yung trabaho. No? To SK Head, Colonel Pumutya, to our guest, Justice Oski Badilies, to Sir Engineer Erwin Sumaga, to my idol, walain, amigo na ko, Sultan Pasaon na. Kada adlaw madungga na to sa radyo, Sir Alvin Angot, atong palakpakan. To our sponsors, to all owners, media friends, yes, daghang salamat kaninyo. This festival would not be possible without the tireless efforts of our dedicated Mugna committees. Let's give them a round of applause for their hard work and commitment. In every year, they raise the bar, and this year is no exception. They have brought together a celebration that truly captures the heart and soul of our city. Let's keep the excitement going as we officially open this year's Mugna. Together, let's make the celebration a night to remember. Daghang salamat kaninyo, Asenso Iliganon, o Viva Senyor San Miguel.